Are you seeing a server error in Krea AI and nothing seems to load or generate? Don't worry, this is a common issue, and in this guide I'll show you exactly how to fix Krea AI server errors in 2026. So let's get started. First, check if Krea AI itself is having issues. Sometimes the platform goes down due to heavy traffic or maintenance, and in that case, nothing will work on your side. Next, refresh the page and try again. Temporary server glitches can cause incomplete requests, and a simple reload often fixes it. If the error continues, try switching to another browser or device. Chrome usually works best, but testing another browser helps rule out local issues. Old or corrupted browser data can trigger server errors. Clear your cache and cookies, restart your browser, and then try again. VPNs and browser extensions can interfere with Krea AI requests. Turn them off temporarily and reload the page. A weak or unstable internet connection can interrupt communication with Krea AI servers. Run a quick speed test and make sure your network is stable. If you're using very large images, long prompts, or high-quality settings, reduce them. Heavy requests can sometimes trigger server errors. Sometimes the issue is just heavy demand. Try again during off-peak hours when fewer users are online for smoother performance. If nothing works, contact Krea AI support and include screenshots of the error. This helps them identify whether it's a platform-wide issue or account-specific problem. And that's how to fix server errors in Krea AI in 2026. Most issues come down to browser problems, heavy server load, or temporary outages. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.